Monetization. The second we make a YouTube channel, it's all we care about. We chase 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours like our life depends on it. But if this is your main goal, it'll likely be the reason why your channel comes crashing down instead of blowing up. So why is monetizing your videos a toxic goal? You just want to get that sweet ad revenue, right? Let me give you several reasons why that mindset will kill your chances of success. How long do you think it should take to get a channel monetized? 3 months? A year? That's what I thought when I first started. But here's the truth. I've been making videos for almost 4 years, and I've made like over 150 videos. How much do you think I've earned from ad revenue in this time? Drum roll please. Absolutely nothing. Not a penny. Not even a Freddo. Now this isn't for sympathy votes. It's just so you understand that you could be doing everything right and make great content for like 4 years and still earn nothing. And even when you get monetized, you won't be cashing in. Aiming for monetization goals right from the start ruins your outlook on YouTube too. It makes you obsess over a number. You think the moment you've hit 1,000 subscribers that you've made it and that it's just going to be raining money. But that thinking will destroy your channel's long-term growth, because now you're not focused on bringing in the right viewers, you just want to bring in anyone. You'll dilute your content and almost build an audience of people who aren't even interested in you. The truth is, after 1,000, your subscriber count means pretty much nothing. What really matters is returning viewers and how many views you get on each video. That is the gauge of how healthy your channel is, and it's how you'll actually earn more revenue when your channel is finally monetized. Before I get to my next point, I've created a free video checklist for all of you watching, so you can make sure that your videos don't miss anything. To get it, just click the link down below. Let me ask you something. Why did you start making YouTube videos? If the answer is to get monetized and earn loads of money, I'm 99% sure you won't last. Because at the start, the YouTube grind is likely the worst paying job you'll ever have. You'll be working 10 times harder than a normal job, for 10 times longer, and for 10 times less money. And you'll likely be working for a paycheck that's 5 or 6 years away. That's why it should be a passion for you. And even if you made a video every week and this still flopped in 2 or 3 years, you'd still continue. That's why many big creators you know today made it to that level, because they went through years of that. Stop thinking about earning before you've built something worth watching, because that pot of gold at the end of the monetization rainbow might just be like 5 pence a video. But what if you looked at YouTube a different way, where an 80 viewed video could get you paid £50? That's how successful small creators look at it. They build a business alongside their channel, even if it's something small, like a service or a digital product, or their coaching calls. That way you could start earning real money with only 100 views and 120 subs. Because here's what no one tells you. The biggest creators don't live off of their ad revenue. Their real income comes from the business behind the videos. Their brand deals, their courses, their communities, or their mentorship programs. The ad revenue from YouTube is just a bonus. And it's often something that they just use to pay their video editors. So if you're chasing monetization, pause, zoom out. Because building a successful YouTube channel and a big loyal audience isn't about just crossing a line and cashing in. It's about building something that matters to the right people. Focus on getting better. Focus on helping someone. And when the money finally starts coming in down the line, it will be the byproduct of everything you've built. To blow up your channel, you want to make videos that people binge and can't stop watching. Click this video to hear more.